Good morning, City Medical Center.
Hello, I need to see a doctor, please.
All right. What is your name?
My name is Maria Santos.
Are you a new patient, Maria?
No, I come here before.
Okay, good. What is the problem?
I have a bad cough. My throat hurts.
I understand. How long do you have this cough?
About 5 days now.
All right. Can you come today at 2 o'clock?
Yes, 2 o'clock is good. Thank you.
Please bring your health card.
Okay, I bring my health card.
Do you take any medicine now?
No, I don't take medicine.
All right. The doctor will see you at 2.
Where is your office?
We are on Main Street, number 55.
Main Street, number 55. Okay,
Come 15 minutes early, please.
15 minutes early. I understand.
Do you have any questions?
No, thank you. I understand everything.
Good. We will see you at 2 o'clock.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello, doctor.
Please sit down. How are you today?
Not very good. I feel sick.
I see. What is the problem?
I have a bad cough. My throat hurts.
All right. How many days do you have this?
About 5 days now.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever yesterday.
Okay. Do you have a fever today?
I don't know. Maybe a little?
Let me check. Open your mouth, please.
Okay.
Your throat is very red.
Is it bad, doctor?
No, it's not very bad. You have an infection.
What can I do?
I will give you some medicine.
What kind of medicine?
Pills. Take 2 pills every day.
2 pills every day. Okay.
Take them in the morning and at night.
Morning and night. I understand.
Drink lots of water, please.
All right. I drink water.
Rest at home for 3 days.
3 days at home. Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, doctor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I have medicine from my doctor.
Okay. Do you have the paper?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What is your name, please?
Maria Santos.
All right, Maria. Please wait 5 minutes.
Okay, I wait here.
Here's your medicine, Maria.
Thank you. How do I take this?
Take 2 pills every day.
2 pills, morning and night?
Yes, that's right. Morning and night.
Do I take them with food?
Yes, please take them with food.
With food. I understand.
Take all the pills. Don't stop early.
All the pills. How many days?
7 days. You have 14 pills.
Okay, 7 days, 14 pills.
Can I help you with anything else?
How much is this?
It's $12.
$12. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Do I need to eat special food?
No, just eat normal food. Drink lots of water.
All right, drink water. Thank you.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello. What is the problem today?
I hurt my arm. It hurts very much.
I'm sorry. How did you hurt it?
I fall down the stairs at home.
All right. Can you move your arm?
A little, but it hurts a lot.
Okay. What is your name, please?
My name is Carlos Rivera.
How old are you, Carlos?
I'm 32 years old.
Do you have your health card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please sit here and wait.
How long do I wait?
About 20 minutes. The doctor will see you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have pain right now?
Yes, my arm hurts a lot.
All right, I will get you some ice.
Thank you very much.
Put this ice on your arm, please.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Keep it there.
Okay. Will the doctor take a picture?
Maybe the doctor will check your arm first.
I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. Try to relax, Carlos.
All right. I try to relax.
Someone will call your name soon.
Okay. I wait here.
Do you need anything else right now?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Good. The doctor will help you soon.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better. Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
Please sit here.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
My tooth hurts.
Which tooth hurts?
This one on the left side.
Since when does it hurt?
For 3 days.
Does it hurt when you eat?
Yes, when I drink cold water.
Okay. Open your mouth, please.
All right.
I see the problem. You have a cavity.
Is it bad?
No, it's small. I can fix it today.
Will it hurt?
No, don't worry. I'll use medicine.
Okay, thank you.
Open your mouth again, please.
Okay.
You will feel a small pinch.
All right.
Good. Now we wait 2 minutes.
Okay.
Can you feel your tooth now?
No, I can't feel it.
Perfect. I'll start now.
Okay.
Almost finished. 1 more minute.
All right.
All done. You can close your mouth.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Don't eat for 1 hour.
Can I drink water?
Yes, water is okay.
When do I come back?
Come back in 6 months.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye, doctor. Good morning. I'm Dr. Kim.
Good morning, doctor. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Is this your son?
Yes, this is my son, Tommy.
Hello, Tommy. How old are you?
He is 5 years old.
All right. What is the problem today?
Tommy has a fever. He feels very hot.
I see. How many days does he have this?
2 days now.
Does he eat food?
No, he doesn't want to eat.
Does he drink water?
Yes, a little water, not much.
Okay. Does his stomach hurt?
No, I don't think so.
Does his head hurt?
Yes, he says his head hurts.
All right. Let me check Tommy now.
Okay, thank you.
Tommy has an ear infection.
An ear infection? Is it bad?
No, it's not very bad. Many children have this.
What can I do, doctor?
I will give you medicine for Tommy.
What kind of medicine?
Liquid medicine. Give him 1 spoon 3 times a day.
1 spoon 3 times a day. Okay.
Give it to him with food or juice.
With food or juice. I understand.
The fever will go away in 2 days.
2 days. All right.
Keep Tommy at home. He needs to rest.
How many days at home?
3 or 4 days. No school.
Okay. No school for 3 days.
Give him lots of water, please.
Yes, I give him water. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Tommy will feel better soon.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna. Goodbye, Tommy. Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Patel.
Hello, doctor. Nice to meet you.
Please sit down. You are here for a checkup?
Yes, my first checkup here.
All right. How do you feel today?
I feel good. No problems.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 45 years old.
Do you take any medicine?
No, I don't take medicine.
Does your family have health problems?
My father has high sugar.
Okay, that's important. Thank you.
What do we do now?
First, I check your heart. Please stand up.
All right.
Your heart sounds very good.
Thank you, doctor.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
Excellent. How many minutes?
About 30 minutes every morning.
Very good. You are healthy. Do I need any tests?
Yes, you need a blood test.
Where do I go?
Go to the lab downstairs.
When do I get the results?
In 1 week, we will call you.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.